Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to move money from your Wise account to Binance to buy crypto? In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer your funds safely and quickly, even if you are brand new. Here's what you'll need before starting: a verified Wise account with available balance, verified by Binance account, access to Binance funding or fiat deposit base, a linked bank account or card inside Wise for faster reload. First of all, log into your Binance account, go to Wallet, then click Spot, then click Deposit, and from here, click the wait a minute. From dashboard, click Cash in, not crypto. Select your currency like USD. Choose the bank transfer or Swift option. Binance will now show you bank account details to send the money to. Take note of the reference code if Binance provides. This helps them match your deposit. Now head over to your Wise dashboard. Then click Send Money from the dashboard. Choose the amount and currency. Make sure it matches Binance deposits currency. In the recipient's bank account details, choose business or company. Enter the exact account name Binance you gave you. Paste in the IBAN Swift short code from Binance. Add the reference number if required. Double check all your information before sending: amount, recipient name, bank details, reference code, currency matches Binance. Then choose how you want to pay from your Wise balance, a linked bank or card. Then click confirm and send. Transfer from Wise to Binance usually take anywhere from minutes to 24 hours depending on your currency and country. You'll receive a confirmation email from Wise. Binance will notify you once the deposit lands in your account. You can also check transaction history from Binance. Go to wallet, then click transaction history. Your fiat balance will be shown at checkout. If your transfer is delayed or missing, make sure you entered the reference code from Binance. Ensure the name matches exactly. Contact Wise support with your transfer ID. Contact Binance support with your deposit ID. These steps usually fix 99% of issue. Now, the P2P trading. Go to trade section, then click P2P. P2P or peer-to-peer lets you buy crypto directly from other users using your Wise account. It's perfect if Binance doesn't support your payment method or if you want lower fees and fast transfers. Now select buy from here and choose the crypto you want like USDT, BTC. Now filter the sellers who accept Wise as payment methods. Go to payment, all payments, then search for Wise. You will now see a list of verified sellers who accept Wise transfers or international wire transfer. Pick a seller that fits your needs. Check their limits, minimum and maximum amount. Read the terms. Some may require matching names. Click by USDT. Now you will see the seller's Wise payment details. Now switch to your Wise account, then click send money. Select the seller's currency. Enter the bank details provided by P2P seller in the reference or note section. Follow the seller's instructions, confirm and complete the transfer. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Always double check account details. Start with a small transfer. If it's your first time, consider setting up two-factor authenticator and withdrawal whitelist on Binance for security. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.